This Face Music Mela is part of the music residency with the name Art Engage. We're not familiar with that. It does Pakistani musicians और 3 American musicians के दरमियान collaboration है होने जा रही है. इसका पहला हिस्सा पाकिस्तान से हो रहा है and the second half will be in Los Angeles, USA. Art Engage is an art residency that highlights the transformative power of art and its ability to illuminate social issues and promote both positive change as well as intercultural dialogue between Pakistan and the US and preserve the tangible cultural heritage of Pakistan. This project will support the art residency program that is to be held in the United States and collaborate with performances of 3 American artists and Pakistani artists at festivals both in the US and Pakistan. Today, this is the beginning. This is just the beginning. These artists include maestros, traditional musicians, storytellers, poets, and songwriters from Pakistan. A very special thanks to Mr. Andrew Schofer for joining us tonight. I'd like to call upon Mr. Schofer, but before I request you to be on the stage, I'd like to give a small introduction. Mr. Andrew Schofer serves as the Deputy Chief of Mission at the U.S. Embassy in Islamabad. During his career as a U.S. diplomat, he has worked in the U.S. embassies in Cyprus, Kuwait, Bahrain, Russia, Afghanistan, and the Netherlands. He has also served as the acting U.S. permanent representative to the United Nations in Vienna. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Mr. Andrew Schofer.
Thank you very much. First of all, what a fantastic performance. That was incredible. I've only been in Pakistan 18 months, and I feel like every day I'm here I see something new, something exciting, something about the culture that I love. And that was definitely, that's going high on my list. So again, thanks to those incredible musicians and for this incredible experience. I'm not going to take very long because I know you really want to hear the music. And I'm a diplomat, not as exciting, but there are a few things I wanted to say before we start. So first of all, assalamu alaikum, everybody. Thank you. It's my great pleasure to introduce the next group of musicians we will hear on stage tonight. Music offers us a means to express ourselves, to hear one another, and to build a sense of community that brings us together. As you all know, music is not bound by geographic or political boundaries, but rather transcends them. Building bridges and creating common ground for people around the world. In this journey, the U.S. Embassy is honored to partner with the Foundation for Arts, Culture, and Education and the Pakistan National Council of the Arts to promote Pakistan's extraordinary musical and cultural heritage and to infuse it with American musical abilities. Support for the performing arts reflects the U.S. values of tolerance and respect for diversity. So the U.S. Embassy is very proud to support this year's Music Mela Festival and to visit U.S. and Pakistani artists that are here as part of the larger Art Engage program funded by the American people. And again, it's not just the embassy, this is funded by the American people, by American taxpayers. Since the 1940s, the United States has supported cultural exchange programs that send American artists abroad and bring musicians from other countries to the United States. What you will see here tonight is an example of how our Art Engage program aspires to preserve and blend Pakistani and American folk and traditional music. So it's a real honor for me to welcome the 3 American musicians who are visiting Pakistan this week as part of the Art Engage program. Evan Hatfield, Bryce Lamar, and Luis Villegas hail from the cities of Los Angeles and San Francisco, California, and we're proud to have them here to share their knowledge of musical talent. In addition to the performance tonight, Evan, Bryce, and Luis have traveled to Pakistan under this U.S.-funded exchange program to engage with Pakistani artists through collaborative performances with local musicians, university workshops, jam sessions, and cross-cultural interactions in Islamabad and Lahore. These exchanges are a powerful way to promote musical understanding, as music has a special ability to transcend barriers regardless of language or culture. So once again, I'd like to extend my thanks to FACE, PNCA, the numerous talented musicians performing on stage this weekend, and especially all of you in the audience who who have made tonight possible in spite of the rain. You've all come out and you're committed to this, so I won't stand here any longer. Please welcome our American musicians, and thank you again.
No, no, no.